Hello friends, you're welcome back. Today we'll be learning how to use Goalseek as a function in Excel. Goalseek will help you in Excel to calculate backward. Instead of arriving at the figure, you know the answer, but you want Excel to help you to calculate the input that will give you the output that you desire. Goalseek can be located under What If Analysis under Data tab in Excel. When you click your What If Analysis, you will see Scenario Manager, Goalseek, and Data Table. So Goalseek will help you to calculate backward wherever you desire by inputting the cell where you want the calculation to be, the value that you desire, the output, and which input you want Excel to manipulate to arrive at your desired output. Let's look at this scenario. Here, we have an item that is being sold at $50 per unit. The variable cost per unit is $12, while the fixed cost per annum is $10,000. Now, calculate how many products will the company need to sell per year to break even. 2. How many products will the company need to sell per year to attain profit of $20,000? What should be the price to attain the profit level of $15,000? Assume the quantity sold is 1,250 units. Okay, here we have our selling price to be $50. And the quantity sold to be, okay, we don't know the quantity to be sold. Let's put 0. And we have the variable cost to be $12. The total revenue we don't know yet, but the total revenue should be equals to the selling price multiplied by the quantity. So let's total cost. Our variable cost now equals to 12 multiplied by quantity, where we have our fixed cost to be 10,000 US dollar. Now, okay, let's put our total revenue here. Where we have our total cost to be now our profit should be equals to revenue minus total cost. Now we want to calculate how many quantity to be sold before the company can break even. The break-even point is the point at which total revenue equals to total cost. That means our profit should be 0 at that point. Let's try using Goalseek. So here, the set value here is the profit. And what we want at the profit now is to have 0. We want to know the point at which our total revenue will equal to our total cost. Then we want to change this quantity to arrive at the quantity at the break-even point. Okay. So by this, we have to sell about 263 units of the product before the company can break even. Good. 2. How many products will the company need to sell per year to attain a profit of $20,000? So, using the previous input, so we have what if analysis, Goalseek, and we want our profit this time around to equals to $20,000 by changing the quantity sold. So we have to sell 789.5 units of the item to make a profit of $20,000. Also, last question, what should be the price to attain the profit level of $15,000, assuming the quantity sold is 1,250 units? So we want our quantity to change to 1,250 units. Now, want what analysis, Goalseek. What should be the price? We want to calculate the price, but we want the profit level to be at 15,000 by changing the price. You see that if we sell at $32, we will attain the profit of 15,000 US dollar. Thank you for watching. If you like the video, kindly remember to subscribe to the channel and click like on the video. Also, do not forget to drop your comment in the comment section. Thank you.